What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today is the day. We are putting in my engine into my car after almost a year of it sitting. We're finally putting this thing in here. It's got some goodies on it. I'll leave that for a future video and let you guys know what is done to it. All right, so we have the engine on the cherry picker. Now we're gonna put some blue Loctite on the bolts and then just screw them in here like this. I read online that we're supposed to torque these to 90 foot-pounds, but 90 pounds is like a lot to torque these down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do it to 55. So update, I forgot that I had to put in the AC compressor, so I was like, bro, why isn't this going in? So it was stuck in the AC compressor. So now I'm just trying to get it into the trans right now, but the only thing is it's not hitting, it's not going in the motor mount. There's a jack underneath here, a jack stand, so what I'm gonna do is raise that a little bit, and it's gonna like tilt it like that. So let's hope that works. That trans is pretty much bolted up, so maybe a little couple more pushes. All right, so I got a little carried away since the last clip. So everything is bolted up on the transmission. Everything is bolted up. The turbo, everything is really in. As you can see, it's just the wiring harness is just not connected like this. Can just go boop right there. And then I just gotta connect all these little wires and put this back. And I think that's about it. Let's tighten up that motor mount and then smooth sailing from here. Just take a second to look at the amount of extensions that I have on this thing. Alright, so everything is bolted up now except for my exhaust and my torque converter. Now I am going to put this braking oil in it and then I'm going to rotate it so that kind of lubes it up. So now that we have that in there, we are gonna go below the car, tighten up the torque converter bolts, get some gas. She's gonna be ready to start, boys. Right now, it is the daytime, but we are putting in the coolant now. And then after this, we're putting in that gas, and then she's ready to start, boys. After almost 7 or 8 months of waiting. Crazy. All right, boys, we got the gas filled up. We have everything bolted up here. Coolant is full. There's oil all in it. Now, time to start it. Oh. finally running after 7 months of it not being driven, man. Thing runs like a bee. It's full with coolant. That's all good. We're all good. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. She definitely needs a wash, bro. Oh my god. She's finally coming off jack stands after 7 months. Finally. I can't explain how happy I am for this car to finally be back after sitting for 7 months, but she is running great. I just took her for a test drive. She's running great. I definitely think it needs a wash. Look at this. That's how it's supposed to look. That's how it looks now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.